Well, welcome to the shop. It's Wednesday and we're showing you some of the things we got. Here we have 2 wicker chairs that are going to be rewoven and restored. So these are projects yet to be started. Here's a completed Victrola. You can see the inside and the records and so forth. So a Victor Victrola. So this is East Lake Victorian, 1850. Beautiful leaves in the back. It's going to be, of course, a new foundation and a new reconstruction of the frame, refinishing of the wood, and then reupholstery. And then we want to show you this over here. I guess you would call it a vanity. It has a leg that's broken off. That's why it's sitting on sawhorses. But we're talking about phenomenal veneer. And it looks like it has a gallery mirror that goes along the back that's not here because only the leg needs repair. So we want to take care of this piece and we'll show you after it's completed. All right, so here is a French armoire. This is the French armoire right here that is on its side. Now obviously it looks kind of funky right now, but it is one whole side panel, and then this is one of the cross panels. Here are some of the pieces that are glued up, some of the back panels. We're thinking 1750s, 1780s. And here are the doors over here. So all of this is being reconstructed so that it's stable. And then here's the piano that was converted into a bar cabinet. So let's show you how this works. This folds down. It's going to get a copper sheet on top to store all your drinks. So this will fold up and down. This comes down like this so that you can see that we have drawers to hold all some supplies. And it was a player piano. You see where all the levers were. And then down here we still have the lever that you push with your knee to open where the pedals used to be, and so liquor will be in there. And this is the chain that we're going to use to hold this top to keep it exactly level so your drink looks like it's not going to spill. And it is what we call, very well crafted Craftique furniture in solid mahogany. Here you can see the label. It has a brass gallery on it, and it also has a secretary desk that's right over there with a bookcase top. And this is a company we have a lot of respect for because they were handcrafting mahogany furniture right here in Mebane, North Carolina, and a great finish. Here's a crosscut saw, and this saw is definitely a family heirloom, and you can see that one of the handles is missing. So we're going to fabricate a new handle. We're going to de-rust and treat the metal so that it can just be hung on the wall. I don't think the family is wanting to cut down trees with that, but we'll see.